Curiosity is your superpower and how to use it. Have you ever felt like you had to have all the answers, all figured out? That pressure can make life feel rigid and exhausting. But there's another way, a way of living that sees questions as more powerful than answers. And that's the path of curiosity. 1. Curiosity versus absolutism, the mindset shift. Curiosity is about exploring, while absolutism is about clinging. When you live with curiosity, you're open to new ideas, new people, and new experiences. Absolutism, on the other hand, is like putting blinders on your mind. It keeps you stuck in what you already know. The philosopher Socrates famously said, "I know that I know nothing." This wasn't just humility, it was the key to real growth. By admitting we don't have it all figured out, we stay open to learn and grow. 2. The science of curiosity. Why it matters. Neuroscientists have found that curiosity isn't just a nice idea, it's a biological drive. When you're curious, your brain's dopamine system lights up, giving you energy and motivation. Research by Dr. Todd Kashdan shows that curiosity helps you adapt to uncertainty and find meaning in chaos. In his book Curious, Ian Leslie explains that curiosity is the secret to innovation and creativity. And Adam Grant, in Think Again, says the most successful people are the ones who can rethink what they know and stay open to new ideas. The psychology of rumination versus exploration. When we're stuck in absolutism, we tend to ruminate, going over the same thoughts, worries, and doubts. Rumination is like a mental loop that keeps us stuck in fear. Curiosity is the antidote. Instead of being stuck in those loops, you start to explore. What if there's another way? What if I'm missing something? That shift from rumination to exploration is the key to mental freedom. How to live with curiosity? Actionable steps. So, how do we bring more curiosity into our lives? Here are some real world steps you can take. 1. Challenge your assumptions. Instead of asking, "Am I right?" ask, "What else could be true?" If you're convinced you're bad at socializing, try asking someone a question at the next event. Watch how curiosity opens doors. 2. Play with possibilities. When you're stuck on a problem, brainstorm 3 different ways to approach it, even if they seem silly. Curiosity loves to play. For example, if you're stuck in your job, imagine 3 careers you'd never consider. Just playing with ideas can unlock new paths. 3. Talk to people who think differently. Seek out conversations with people who see the world differently from you. Instead of defending your beliefs, ask them to teach you something. This simple shift can transform your perspective. 4. Embrace beginner's mind. In Zen Buddhism, there's a concept called Shoshin, beginner's mind. It means showing up to every situation as if it's brand new, no matter how much you think you know. Practice this by doing something you've never done, like taking a class outside your comfort zone. For example, if you're feeling stuck in your fitness routine, instead of saying, "I already know what works," try a new workout you've never tried, like rock climbing or dancing. Let yourself be a beginner again. The wisdom of curiosity. Even the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "It is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows." Curiosity breaks down that wall of certainty and opens you to growth. So remember, curiosity isn't about knowing everything, it's about being willing to explore, to experiment, and to learn. That's how you stop feeling stuck and start living with purpose and wonder. This is Mindstream.